Alrighty, welcome to this brand new challenge, and this is what you're tasked with. So first, before I show the actual live version in the browser, this is the basic design that I've created here. You don't have to create the CSS so that it's perfectly like this, but just something that's roughly like this. Let me show you what I've come up with, and this is what I want you to try to create. Something similar to it. Doesn't have to be exact, or just something very similar. Here we go. We're going to scroll down. And there we go. That's it. It's actually fairly simple. There's nothing that we haven't yet done here already. And when we scroll down, we can see they're kind of stacked on top of each other. That's literally just changing the Y% value. There's nothing special. These aren't position absolute. This is how they're just moving on the Y axis as you scroll down with the scroll trigger. So if you can create something like this, that would be great. And again, you don't have to get the timing perfect, and you can make this card on the left come in first. I just want you to get the understanding of how to create these parallax/scrub based animations for this final challenge. So go ahead and try to work on that. If you get stuck, no big deal. I'm going to show you how I tackled this solution. For me personally, I have this layout set up in the CSS grid. You could use Flexbox if you want as well. Not a big deal. I'm also using custom data attributes, data-speed, just to translate that to the Y% value and just iterate over all of these that have a specific class. And that's it. All right, so no big deal if you don't get it though. In the next video, I will show you my solution.